Quantum teleportation is real, and it works right now. But forget Star Trek, we're not beaming any matter.
Then what actually gets teleported?
We teleport a qubit's exact quantum state, from here to there. Remember, you can't copy a qubit, so we move it instead. First, Alice and Bob share an entangled pair. Alice measures her mystery qubit together with her half of the pair. That gives 2 ordinary bits, which she sends over a normal channel.
A normal channel, so it's not faster than light?
Exactly, no faster than light cheating allowed. Bob uses those 2 bits to rebuild the exact state on his qubit.
So the qubit never traveled, its identity did. Wait, an exact copy appears on his side.
Perfect and identical, indistinguishable from the original. And the original is destroyed, so no cloning still holds. It's real today, in labs and even between satellites. That's quantum teleportation. Subscribe for what's next.